Hello world. In this video, I am going to answer 7 frequently asked questions on nuts. I welcome you to researchyourfood.com. The mission of this platform is bringing food science to the consumers. I am Prashant. I am a food engineer and the founder of Research Your Food project. The first question is, are nuts rich in protein? Yes, they are. Nuts, depending on the variety, offer a moderate to good amount of high quality plant-based protein that can be consumed by vegetarians and vegans. For example, 100 grams of peanuts contain 25.8 grams of protein, and they are the richest source of protein among nuts. Pistachios and almonds contain about 20% protein. Hazelnuts and walnuts consist of around 15% protein. The next question is, do nuts improve memory? Yes, they do. A study done on Chinese adults aged 55 plus found that subjects who consumed more than 10 grams per day nuts were 40% less likely to have poor cognitive function, defined as thinking, reasoning, and remembering. Another study done in the US on women older than 70 suggests that at least 5 servings of nuts a week over a long period of time may lead to better overall cognition. The next question is, can dogs eat nuts? Macadamia nuts, both raw and roasted, and macadamia butter are toxic to dogs. The specific toxin and its mechanism are unknown. The amount of macadamia nuts ingested was estimated in 72% of the calls, with a mean of 11.7 grams per kg body weight. Are nuts gluten-free? Nuts in their pure form are gluten-free, but they may be processed on the same lines where other gluten-containing products are processed. There is a chance of cross-contamination. Flavored nuts sometimes can contain wheat flour. So people suffering from celiac disease or gluten intolerance should consume only certified gluten-free nuts to be on the safer side. Are nuts rich in calories? Yes, they are. Most of the nuts contain high amount of fat and very small amount of moisture. For example, 100 grams of almonds contain 579 calories and the same amount of cashews contain 553 calories. In comparison, 100 grams of apples contain 52 calories and equivalent amount of uncooked rice contains about 414 calories. Hence, the nuts must be consumed in moderation to control the overall calorie intake. Are nuts good for weight loss? Yes, they are. Long-term consumption of nuts in moderate amounts, one serving or a handful, is associated with weight control. Regular nut consumption is also associated with prevention or delay of type 2 diabetes, obesity, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. In a study done on 51,188 women in the US, found that nut consumption greater than or equal to 2 times a week is associated with a slightly lower risk of weight gain and obesity. Multiple other studies also suggest that regular nut consumption is associated with a reduced risk of weight gain, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. The last question is, does soaking nuts increase the nutrient absorption? Soaking nuts before consumption is being recommended popularly in the media, but as per the latest research studies, soaking nuts does not increase the nutrient bioavailability, consumer acceptance, and gastrointestinal tolerance. Thanks for watching. At Research Your Food, I create content related to food science and nutrition. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer those questions. To get the latest updates about our videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow researchyourfood.com website. I hope to see you in my next video.